How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add an auto reply function to your Facebook page. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the reason for this video is because the new Facebook page experience is a bit confusing, as a lot of people know. So its new design is going to give people some getting used to when it comes to uh, navigating your way around the new Facebook look. So, how do you actually add auto replies to your Facebook page? Well, for the purpose of this video, I actually made a John Doe and a dummy page as well to show you guys what I mean. So, what you guys need to do is you want to switch over to your page as an admin, like so. Oh, wait, okay, hold on, let me switch. Here we are. Okay, so here we are. So from here, what you guys would want to do is you want to go to the Meta Business Suite, and normally you could just click on this link right here, and it would redirect you to a page where you can configure the auto replies. But there's actually another way that would automatically take you to the messaging configuration, which is when you click on the professional dashboard, here you want to click on messaging settings. Now, as you can see here, it redirected me to the automations page for messaging. So from here, you're actually able to configure custom messages for people who are trying to contact your page. So let's say that you would want to set a preset or a fixed message for instant replies or an away message. Let's say that the page isn't active or you're simply AFK and someone shoots you a message, so they would send this message instead. So the way it works is once you find yourself on this page, you simply want to click on it, and here by default they have this message set to as an instant reply. And the nice thing is it gives you a little preview of what it would look like if someone were to message your page. Now, what you guys want to do is you would want to turn this on. So basically click instant reply on, and then you can select which channels this automation would work for. So let's select Messenger on, and then here we get to customize the message, right? So let's put okay, so I'll just leave it at that, but obviously you can have it customized. But yeah, hi, thanks for contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate you reaching out. So from here you just simply want to click on save changes and you're done. You successfully set auto replies for your page on Facebook. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.